Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have my boo here again today. We decided to shoot this video, which I think a lot of people would actually kind of find interesting. I know I do. What we're filming today is Kyle bought me some temporary tattoos that actually look pretty realistic. The reason why Kyle bought these for me is because I've always wanted to get a tattoo. I don't have any at all. Dang, I'm gonna be 31 this year if you guys don't know that, but I don't think I could ever really commit to like getting an actual tattoo before. But now that I've kind of like lived and I know like more about myself and like experience and stuff like that, I feel like I'm ready now to commit to getting something and I'm not gonna regret it. But to help make that process a little easier, we figured why not play around with temporary tattoos to see like what arm I want it on. If you don't know, I kind of want like a sleeve. Don't know if I want like a half sleeve, a full sleeve, like something like that. So this is what they look like and we're gonna show you how we put it on. So if you guys are interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. So, not only am I going to be putting on a tattoo today, Kyle here is going to be putting on a tattoo today. We are going to show you like some of them. I think it came with like 10 in a pack. We did get these from Amazon, so I'm going to just throw up a picture, I guess, of what it looks like, so that way you guys know you're ordering the right one.
You can just link it down in the description.
That's true, I'll link it down below for you guys. These tattoos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it comes with 12, and this is how big they are. They are actually pretty big. They do have a lot of like black and white ones. They had a couple with like some color in it, which was really cool. And it also looked like they had a couple different like styles of tattoos. I'm not like the biggest tattoo expert, but I thought that was kind of cool that they gave you like a little bit of a variety. So me and Kyle are gonna pick the ones that we want to put on. Kyle actually does have a tattoo.
Yeah.
You want to show your tattoo?
Nah.
Kyle only has one tattoo.
Yeah, I only got one tattoo so far. Definitely eventually would like to get more, but as you guys know, tattoos are very expensive and very, 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 very permanent. So, you know, if this is your first time looking for a tattoo and you wanted to try like some fake tattoos just to get an idea of what it would look like on your body, I would definitely suggest to do that. I would definitely suggest to either use Instagram or you know, Google or some kind of photo like platform.
Well, that's what I did first.
Yeah.
Like at first, I messed around with an app that gave me like tattoos, and then I was like, oh, I kind of like how that looks. And then I moved to the next step, which would have been this. And at first I was like, no, that's stupid, like I don't want to do that. But when you guys get these in person, if they go on the way they look legit. Like they look real. So hopefully they look good on. But this is just fun. Like I feel like even if you're not thinking about getting a tattoo, on a night that like you want to look badass but you don't want like the permanent tattoo, throw one of these on. Like nobody's gonna know. Like who the hell's looking
if you're
that
just
close?
trying to do like some kind of like dress up or cosplay or
a
or
costume
like
or something like that. Why did I say it that way? Here, a costume. Here, a costume. If you have, yeah, I know. If like you have a costume or something for Halloween, this is a cool idea.
Yeah.
So, and it's like open to everybody, guys, girls, whoever. Like, I just thought that this was a cool idea.
Yep.
On the website, under like the description, it says that these are supposed to last for 3 to 4 days. We're going to update you in the bottom bar to let you know how long they actually lasted. I read that wrong. Temporary tattoo stickers stay for 3 to 7 days. Okay, so I'll update you guys on that. And then it says if you don't like it or for some reason you need to like rapidly remove it, you're supposed to put it in alcohol, like soak your arm in alcohol for 15 to 20 seconds and then rub it away with a cotton ball. So I'm not going to be doing that because obviously I want it to stay on as long as possible. But maybe like once I do take it off, I can try the alcohol method with whatever's left and let you guys know, like I said, in the bottom bar. So let's get to choosing which one we want. I like this one.
Like that one?
I think I like this one. This one is my favorite.
Alright, so I'll do this one. I'm gonna go with this one. Let me size you up real quick, girl. Let me size you up. Yeah, you definitely. Wow.
And it's definitely not gonna fit my whole arm.
Oh, it'll fit your whole arm.
No, it's not.
It'll be like
I got long arm problems.
Yeah,
Look at this.
It'll be a 3/4 sleeve. It'll be a 3/4 sleeve.
That's crap. I want the whole thing. What the heck?
Like where a normal tattoo would be. You gotta start it like right at the top of the meat. Pause. You gotta start it right at the top of the meat.
Yeah, but then like my whole wrist is left out.
So we will get these all sized up, and then we'll take you on to the next step.
We're back. And we've got it cut out. Alright, so because it came folded like this, it does have like a little bit of a bend here, so hopefully that doesn't prevent it from going on nicely. We're gonna see. And it also doesn't fit the entire length of my arm, which is kind of a bummer because it does advertise it on a guy's arm to reach the entire arm, and that's definitely bigger than mine. So
if you got long arms, it's not going to cover the whole thing. I mean, you could probably...
I think what I'm going to do is see how it looks like just with this, and then we might cut out a little bit from another tattoo that goes with this theme and put it on the bottom if I want, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, so taking it out.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. I'm waiting. Yeah, we'll start at the top. Oh my god. She sprayed me right in the freaking ear.
So
Oh hell no.
It says to soak it, so you want to soak it out real good. As it says.
I just have a feeling that this isn't gonna go on the way I'm
Yeah,
thinking.
40 to
it's gonna
60
go on.
seconds. So.
Ooh, it's coming off already. I see it. You ready to look?
Almost.
Oh, he's actually timing it. See, this is why Kyle follows all the rules. I don't. I'm just like, let's just do this.
Alright, it's 40 seconds. So we're gonna peel it off now. Wow.
No, wait. See, it's bubbling.
That's fine. That's fine.
Holy. This looks
That looks pretty good.
real. Okay, so
Just.
it did bubble in some places, so I'm
Yeah,
just
we
kind
can
of
nick
trying
it,
to
we
like.
can nick it, we can nick it.
Hold on.
Oh,
So I'm gonna show you what it looks like.
that's pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's like some bubbling around certain parts, but no, it's fine, babe. You don't have to nick it. If you push it down like this, it actually does
Okay.
go to your skin.
Cool.
I think that was the only spot that it did that.
That's pretty cool.
That's really cool. So, alright, so it feels super tight.
Yeah, it's gonna dry, so you gotta let it dry.
Okay. 'Cause I hope it doesn't like crack.
Yeah. Yeah, like as you're moving your elbow.
That's
it's
what I'm
cracking.
saying. Like I think it's gonna do that.
Yeah, but that's fine. What we should have probably did was just cut it at the elbow, but I mean, you wanted the whole.
No,
thing,
I
so.
wanted the whole freaking thing. The freak?
So those of you who have
So
darker
cool.
skin, you know, color doesn't necessarily show up as well for you. I mean, for this, it's a print, so it'll probably work out fine. But for actual tattoos, just keep that
I
in
feel
mind.
like you're not as dark as you think you are.
I'm dark enough. I can get color
God, I
in
feel
my
like
skin.
you're pretty light though.
I can get color in my skin, but
Yeah.
it's not gonna age me.
Yeah, well, we've seen so many tattoo shows that they always say that, like, the darker you are, the harder it is with color. But, I don't know, I feel like you would be able to do it.
I like black and gray anyway.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Cup.
No. You just have to soak it. You have
Okay.
to soak it when it gets to that part.
Alright,
Alright, here you go.
here. I'm gonna shield you from the f***ing tsunami that I had to go through. Wait, hold on, wait, actually I can use this, right?
I feel like
I recommend doing this with a spray bottle because it's actually really easy. And just keep a towel nearby so it doesn't drip on everything. The only thing I have in the spray bottle is just water. And it's warm water also. I'm surprised. Out of me and my sister is the one that has all the tattoos and I have 0. And I used to mess with these all the time when I was a kid. The more it sits on my arm, like, we're gonna look and see, like, because it did crack in some areas, but I don't know, I don't see this lasting 7 days.
No, it's probably gonna last like 3 days.
No, I don't think it's even gonna last 3 days, to be
Well,
honest.
as much as you take showers, probably not.
Like, I don't think it's lasting
Yeah.
that long. I feel like these are really good for flat parts of your body,
Yeah.
but when it comes to, like, angles, like your elbow and stuff like that, it's gonna crack.
Yeah, I think the best way to try it is to soak the paper first before you put it on, so then that way you can contour it to your body.
Nothing is left behind on the paper, though. Like, that's pretty cool. Okay, so while yours dries, let it dry. We're gonna look at mine for a second. So, there's a couple things that I don't like. So, number 1, I don't like that it looks super shiny, obviously, because that looks fake as hell. If you put powder on top of it, I heard that it might look like more realistic. So I'm actually gonna try that after this video to see like if that works. I also don't like I said, like around the elbow, you can see that it's like cracking because of the angle that it was at. So I don't necessarily see this tattoo lasting like that long. I just don't. That's just my opinion. But I like it for the flat parts of the body. Like right here looks really nice. Or maybe if I just did it on this part of my arm, it would have looked better.
Yeah, because I'm definitely cracking all over.
Yeah, and it looks like super
Glossy.
not like, you know, like if you burn your skin after it heals, it has like that shiny
Scaly look.
scale. Yeah, that's exactly what all of this looks like.
Yeah.
So it kind of looks weird, but
Yeah, so it's not bad if you just want to try to see or get
Yeah.
like a visual reference of what it looks like. Obviously, it's not the greatest thing in the world.
no, it definitely doesn't look, to me, if you look quick, yeah, it looks real. But if you actually like look at somebody's arm, you could tell it's not real.
Yeah.
But it is, like Kyle was saying, it's a cool way to just test out and see if you at least think you can pull it off, if you like the way it looks on you.
I'm not gonna lie, I kind
Placement.
of like that bit.
Alright, so I just went to go look in the mirror real quick to see what it actually looks like because I don't have my glasses on. And I do love the way that it makes me look, like the effect. I definitely want to get a tattoo. This just kind of like confirms it for me. But as far as like these specific tattoos, if they look real or not, they don't. So I just want to see if it look a little more realistic if you put powder on it. So I just have like a dual fiber brush and some like translucent powder. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. And I just want to put it on and see if it takes away like some of the shine. So let's do it in like the skull. Yeah, it takes away some of the shine, but not really, like, it's still there. So I don't personally think that makes much of a difference. All right, I mean, overall, what do we rate this?
I mean, for a temporary tattoo, just to try to see what something looks like, I would definitely recommend it. I'd probably give it overall, for just quality, the actual style and design and the artwork is fire. I like the artwork.
Yeah.
But the actual quality of the temporary tattoo, I mean, I've seen better ones. I've seen people draw them on, you know, just to get an idea. But for like something that's like a sticker, I'd probably say at least a 7 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, for like the artwork part, yeah, that is super realistic of what a tattoo would be designed like. But I don't know. Overall, I would probably rate this like a 5. I thought it would have gone on a little bit better. Like, I'm surprised that it looks like so dry.
I'm
like
telling you,
all
if
throughout.
you would have soaked the paper first and then put it on your skin, it wouldn't have creased as much.
Alright, so the next time we do it, we'll have to try it that way then. There you have it. I will be getting a tattoo, you guys. What do you guys think? Would you try these? And if you have tried them, did we do it wrong? Like, help us out.
Let us know in the comments. Make sure you get this video to, what do you want to say, like 20 likes?
50 likes. A lot of my videos don't get
50
that many
likes.
likes, and that needs to change.
There's
So,
over 400 of y'all. Y'all can get this video to 50 likes.
50 likes, everybody. Comment and subscribe. I don't think we said that in the beginning, but I'm putting all like my oh my god, I can't think, my social media on top of my videos now so that you guys can have access to it. So make sure to add me on all of them. We will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Sam wants me to get more tattoos, like, so bad.
Yep. I freaking paid for it.
You keep saying that, but I don't see no money.
I don't see you making no appointments to no tattoo shops.
That's because I ain't got no money.
I got the money! The heck? But the brand was from, I think I'm saying this right, Pinon?
Yeah,
Pinon?
it's like Pinon or Pinon.
Pinone. So anyway, supposedly, Frilly, my dog is trying to steal my towels. But yeah, so what does this even say?
It says...
It's backwards, so we're gonna have to like put it against the mirror. I don't even know what it says. I want to use the whole thing. Going in.
She going savage mode.
Alright, so they all came in.
It looks got my symbol too, Gemini.
Nice little pack.
Gemini. There.
The big reveal.
You have to keep it straight though.
It's gonna be straight.
Okay.
You gotta press it though, like.
Oh, it's sliding already.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh fuck.
Wow. I'm shook.
We're gonna have to take pictures after.
So nothing came off on the paper?
Yeah, all of it came off.
That's what I'm saying, nothing was left behind.
No, nothing was left behind in the paper. At all.
Oh, oh my gosh, that's so cool. Really? But I mean, it looks cool. I don't know, if you look fast, like it looks real, but if you actually take a look at it, like no. Wait, I'm gonna look in the mirror. Hold on, because I can't